We are here at walking tours with my sister. That's my sister and my daughter. We're planning to go to Little Mermaid.
Ay, mga bata, o tingnan ko, ang cute.
That's
tayo dyan, ate, minsan, no?
yeah, I haven't tried that. That's the boat trip there, over there.
Sounds cool.
Yeah. Maybe next time we will try that. I know it. They said it's just cheap, but yay! Yay! Pagka-manyupet, may.
Ayan.
Ang upit daw ba?
Ayun na, may 30 krona.
30 krona.
50.
Ayun no, grown up, 30 krona. Next time, dala natin yung stroller eh. Malaki masyado yung stroller.